It's 2021. Negative energy needs to go. Those bad thoughts turn into negative actions, which form into a bad habit. You can just get stuck there and it takes time to get out. It's a vicious cycle. Everyone self doubts, but the power of positive thinking will slowly help you break that wall. Only you have the power to break that cycle. Go through those emotions in that moment and take a second to stop it and let it go. Choose to have positive energy come to you and happiness. Take a break and come back to the present moment. Start with a positive action, then another one, and another one. And it's slowly going to become easier as you keep doing it. If you're stopping a bite to get coffee today, don't forget to say thank you and have a great day to your barista. You never know what that positive comment will do for their day. They might be having a bad day, and you spreading that positivity and love will take them to a better place. Spread positivity, joy, happiness everywhere you go. Sprinkle that everywhere that you go. Be genuine about it, and it's going to brighten other people's day, and it's going to help them in some way or not. But wouldn't you want to think that even if you brighten one person's day every day, it's worth it? It's just the thought of the day, something for you to think about and reflect. But just be kind and have a great day today.